What is it? What is that? Uh-oh. What's that hose doing? What's that hose? You get it. You get it, Sheldon. You get it. Get it. You get it. Get that hose. Get that hose, little boy. What's it doing? You get it, Sheldon. Get right a hold of it. He's trying to get a drink. Is it too hard to get a drink with that hose doing that? You get that hose. Oh.
I got it.
You get it, little boy.
Get in the water.
So I can't get in the water with that stupid hose. You get it. You get it, Sheldon. You get it. Get that hose. Get that hose. He's trying to bite the water. Doesn't that want to hold still for you? You get it. You get it. You get it, Sheldon. Get that hose. Get that hose. Yep, and there it goes.